Hi, this is Clayton Picard reporting for Kids First. Today, I'll be reviewing Disney's new movie, The Finest Hours. I had great expectations for this movie, especially in IMAX 3D. It has a great, true-life story about a few men doing the impossible. It has a great cast, including Chris Pine, Casey Affleck, and Holliday Grainger. The Finest Hours is a true story about a rescue mission off the coast of Cape Cod in the winter of 1952. An oil tanker is partially destroyed by a big storm, and the wealthy Coast Guard are called on to go to the rescue. Unfortunately, all their seaworthy boats are out on other missions. So it's left to 4 Coast Guarders to rescue the tanker and a small craft in the big storm. The Coast Guard rescue team is led by Bernie Weber, played by Chris Pine. Bernie is a quiet, inarticulate guy who always plays by the rules. Bernie and his crew have to get past the bar to get out to the open seas. Meanwhile, the tanker is taking in tons of water, and the crew are trying to ground themselves on a shoal. They are led by the head mechanic, Ray Seibert, played by Casey Affleck. He too is an unlikely hero. The beginning of the film is very disappointing. It's a preamble that sets up the love interest between Bernie and his girl, Miriam. This part of the film feels rushed and cliche. The rescue sequences, on the other hand, are very exciting and intense, especially in IMAX 3D. The cinematography and graphics are great. I also like the fact that both of the men leading their crews are unlikely heroes. There is a point in the rescue mission where they meet, and you see Seibert sizes up Weber as a similar animal to himself. I give The Finest Hours 3 out of 5 stars due to the stereotypical and confusing screenplay and direction. It is appropriate for ages 10 through 18. This is Clayton Picard reporting for Kids First.